Fresnel has been a buzzword surrounding rendering in PBR for quite some time now. It is an aspect of our world that is present in everything, yet we may not know when we are observing it. The Fresnel effect states that the amount of light reflected from any given surface is dependent on the viewing angle of the viewer. Now that might be a nifty explanation, but what does that actually mean? If we look at any body of water, both big or small, we can start to make some sense of what is going on. As we look straight down, perpendicular to the body of water, we are able to see directly through that surface, and we can see the contents below. This would be viewing the water at 0 degrees, or normal incidence, like we had learned with our light ray model. However, if you look at the water at a grazing incidence, getting more parallel to the water itself, you will begin to see the specular reflections at a greater intensity. This will also inhibit your ability to see the contents below the surface, which you were able to see before. This is not only the case for smooth surfaces, however. For rougher surfaces, the light intensity would be the exact same. However, the microsurface detail randomizes the orientation of the redirected rays. This results in the reflections seeming dimmed or blurry, rather than sharp reflections like they would appear on smoother surfaces. It is important to remember that everything has Fresnel.